I'm here with the moon food, you know what I'm saying? Try to eat this food, man. So, try to show you guys, man. Today we got chicken. And we got catfish with the sriracha. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, it's good, man. Oh, and we got rice too, man. You know what I'm saying? And we got sriracha. So, without sriracha, I can't eat my food, man. I have to eat my food for the sriracha, you know what I'm saying? So, rice, chicken. It's good. It's really good. Put that moon sauce on top of them. And chicken, it's hot, so for me,